Hi you guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how to find out how old your phone is and check its manufacturing date. It can be difficult to find out how old your phone is sometimes. A lot of phone brands tend to hide the date, and if you don't know of the methods I'm going to show you today, then it might be difficult for you. But there's a bunch of different ways to actually find this out, so let's jump right in. The first way is to check the box that you bought it in. Some phone companies include the manufacturing date right on the box. It might be on the back side. I don't have an iPhone box with me to show you guys, so I can't confirm whether all iPhone boxes include this. However, I do know that newer phones are including this. So if you have a newer iPhone, it should be right on the box. If you don't have a box with you like myself, the next thing would be to go into your settings and check there. So we're going to launch our settings here. Then we're going to click on our name up at the top here and scroll down to all of your Apple devices that you have. Then you're going to click on the current phone that you're using. For me, it's the iPhone, this iPhone 5 here, the iPhone 13 Pro. This is going to bring us to the device information page, where it's going to tell us a few different things. Going to give us the model, the version, our phone number, serial number, and IMEI. If it doesn't straight up give you the date here, what you can do is look in the serial number. So the third or fourth digit of your serial number is going to refer to the year. So if it's a 9, this would be 2019. If it was a 0, that would be 2020. A 1 would be 2021, etc. The fifth digit, this 3 here, is going to refer to the manufacturing week of that year. So this is how you're going to decipher the manufacturing date. Hey, if you're finding this video helpful, you can also support the channel through super stickers. These basically just help fund the channel, and it helps us continue to create content for you guys. Thanks so much, and let's get back to the video. You can also access your serial number by launching your settings and then going into General and then selecting About. Here is going to give you all the same information as before, but it's also going to include some more information about your phone. The next thing you can do if these methods weren't helpful is to use a third-party app. There's some out there that can give you information on your phone that maybe you don't understand very clearly in your settings. So if you still couldn't find the manufacturing date through any of these methods, your last resort is going to be through manufacturing codes. The problem with these codes is that typically they're not just OEM specific, but they can also vary by model, country, carrier, etc. So it makes it sort of impossible to guide you directly. But what you can do is open up your phone and go to your keypad, and you're going to dial this number. Pound 197328640 followed by another pound. In this, some devices will respond to entering this code. This will then open up a service menu for you, and you're going to go into menu version information and then into hardware versions and then read manufacturing date. If this doesn't work for your device, you'll have to look up your specific manufacturing code for the model of phone that you have. Type that code in and follow those same prompts. Last but not least, you're going to want to Google it. Google can bring up all of the information that you're missing and can answer some questions that you have. So you'll want to just Google the specific model that you have, the serial number, which I showed you how to access, and hopefully that's going to bring up the information that you're missing. Alrighty, you guys, I hope that this was helpful and one or all of these methods worked for you. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video.